Are your pepper plants just sitting there, refusing to grow? You're not alone. Peppers can be some of the pickiest plants in the garden. They need very specific conditions to thrive, and if even one thing is off, they'll stall out. Today, we'll break down the top reasons your peppers aren't growing and show you exactly how to fix each one. Grab a notepad, let's get your peppers back on track. Temperature is key for healthy peppers. Peppers crave warmth. If soil drops below 18 degrees Celsius, 65 degrees Fahrenheit, or nights fall under 15 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Fahrenheit, growth slows or stops. Cold soil means roots can't absorb nutrients, leading to stunted, stressed plants with purple-tinged leaves. Use black plastic mulch or row covers to keep soil warm and protect plants on chilly nights. Once temperatures stay warm, peppers will thrive, producing lush leaves and plenty of fruit. Be patient. Steady warmth brings a bumper crop of beautiful, flavorful peppers. Next, let's talk about fertilizer. Specifically, the role of nitrogen and how too much of it can actually hold your pepper plants back from producing fruit. If your pepper plants are growing big, lush, and leafy, but you're not seeing any flowers or fruit, there's a good chance you're giving them too much nitrogen. Nitrogen is great for leafy growth, but when it's overdone, your plants focus all their energy on making more leaves instead of producing blooms or peppers. To encourage flowering and fruiting, switch to a fertilizer that's higher in phosphorus and potassium. Look for tomato or vegetable blends, or try natural options like bone meal and compost tea. These nutrients help trigger the plant's reproductive phase, signaling it to start making flowers and eventually, peppers. This shift in nutrients tells your pepper plant it's time to stop focusing on just growing leaves and start putting energy into flowers and fruit. Be sure to avoid high nitrogen lawn fertilizers and fresh chicken manure, as these can keep your plant stuck in leafy mode and delay fruiting even longer. With the right balance of nutrients, you'll see more peppers forming on your plants, not just a jungle of green leaves. The difference can be dramatic once you make this adjustment. Feed your peppers smartly, and you'll soon be rewarded with plenty of blooms and a healthy harvest of vibrant, delicious peppers. Peppers hate soggy soil. Too much water can quickly kill your plants. When soil stays wet, roots can't breathe, and the plant's health declines. Roots suffocate and rot, causing yellow leaves and stunted growth. Always plant peppers in loose, well-draining soil so excess water escapes easily. Amend heavy clay with compost or coco coir to improve drainage. Raised beds or large containers help control water and drainage. Good drainage is non-negotiable for healthy, thriving peppers. Flowers dropping off? You might need to help with pollination and pruning. Gently shake the plant or use a soft brush to move pollen between flowers, especially in sheltered spots. Prune dense foliage to let in light and air. Remove lower leaves and suckers. Better airflow and light mean more successful fruit set. A little hands-on care can make a big difference. Don't be afraid to get involved. Your peppers will thank you. Help your plants focus their energy where it counts. Once peppers start flowering, their nutrient needs spike. Feed with a balanced organic liquid fertilizer every 2-3 weeks. Fish emulsion or seaweed works great. Top dress with compost or worm castings for slow-release nutrition. Don't forget micronutrients like calcium and magnesium to prevent blossom end rot. Consistent feeding keeps plants productive all season. Hungry peppers won't fruit. Keep them fueled for a bumper harvest. The right nutrition at the right time is key. There you have it, the top fixes for stalled pepper plants. Check your temps, adjust your feeding, improve drainage, help with pollination, and keep them well fed. Small changes add up to big harvests. Try these tips and watch your peppers thrive. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.